Hey there, need to withdraw money from your Lazada wallet? No worries, in this quick guide I will show you how to cash out and withdraw your funds in just a few simple steps. For this, first open the Lazada app and go to your wallet. Then this is where you can manage all your funds. Next, from the balance details page, tap on withdraw to begin the process. Now select withdrawal deposit and then click let's start to proceed. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within your available balance. Choose your preferred bank account if you haven't added one yet. Simply fill out the form and click add bank account. Once you have set the amount and selected your bank, just click continue and then confirm withdrawal. And that's it. Your withdrawal is on its way to your bank account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.